Hey everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews, and today we are reviewing this 10-piece photo frame set. So I am excited. If you guys are interested, you can find this set in my video description. So for a while now I've been wanting to hang photos of my wife and I, and also some of our Mustang build. So I came across this big set and I thought it was reasonably priced. So I thought, okay, you know what? Let's go ahead. Let's give it a chance. Worst case scenario, we just have to return it if the frames are junk. Because, you know, for these days in shipping, and something looks good on the internet, but then in person it looks really bad. So stay tuned, guys. Here we go. Frame number 1. Okay, that's a nice frame. It's generic, you know, probably fake wood. But that's pretty nice though. So you got the little white cutout. You could write something in there. I'm going to remove everything. That's pretty nice. So I think all the frames are the same. However, they are different sizes, so not every frame is going to be that small. So I think we got, how many do we have of that size? Let's see, are these all the same? Yes, those are the same sizes, and there's four of them. Looks like we got either 2 or 3 of the next size up. I think these are 4x6s. Yes, we got 1, 2, 3 of those frames. We have some really big frames here. I think we got 2 of them. Yes. And then we got 1 really big frame. So this could be good for a family portrait or something. So you guys can't even see it, it's that big. Overall, I'm happy with it. You know, the frames are generic, but they're gonna do a good job, and they feel really solid. So yeah, I'm happy. You guys are gonna have to decide, you know, what you want to do. Let me see here. So there it just shows you instructions, which I'm not quite sure why you need instructions. It comes with some pins. Not sure what these are used for. It comes with a thank you card. Yeah, so what these are designed for like a collage. You know, I probably didn't even say that right, but you put it on the wall and then you put other pictures all around it. But I think I'm going to use these as individual pictures. It feels like a plastic, so it's not glass. That can be a good thing or bad thing. So if you like the plastic, I think it's ABS plastic. Maybe 5. No, I don't think it's that. But yeah, I think they're gonna do the job that I need it to do. So I think I can give it a solid 6 to 7 out of 10. You know, could the frames be nicer? Yes, but they are nice solid black. So I mean, they're not damaged. They arrived great. So yeah, I can give it probably 7 out of 10. Thank you guys for watching.